Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video lesson about something called compound events, right? Now, compound events occur in probability all the time. So let me show you this, what a real basic example of a compound event is, right? So here's the definition. A compound event is the probability of two or more events occurring, okay? So a really basic example of that would be, imagine if I'm flipping a coin and then I'm rolling a number cube. And I want to know what's the probability of the coin landing on tails and then the number cube landing on the number 4. So the way you do this is you first come up with the probability of each separate event occurring on their own, right? So if I'm flipping a coin, the probability of getting a tails is 1 out of 2. That's part 1. Now what you do is you come up with the probability of the second event, which is rolling a number cube and getting a 4. Well, there's 6 numbers and there's only one 4. So the probability of getting a 4 is 1 in 6. Now here's the key part. The way you figure out the probability of both of these events occurring is you multiply them together. All right? So when I multiply 1/2 times 1/6, what I have to do is multiply the numerators. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then multiply the denominators. 2 times 6 is 12. And finally, I get a probability of 1 to 12. All right? So remember, compound events is the probability of 2 or more events occurring. And the way you get the probability is you multiply the probability of each event occurring together. All right, have a good day.